In this video, I will show you how you can enable predictive text on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, to enable predictive text on the keyboard of your Samsung phone, just go to your home screen and open Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. Under the General Management settings, just scroll down a bit and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. On this page, you will find the option for predictive text. Now just tap on it. Over here, you will find the toggle for predictive text over here. Now just enable the toggle for predictive text. Now, if it is your first time enabling predictive text, it will take a few seconds to download all the files related to predictive text, and after that, it will enable predictive text on its own. Now, after you enable this toggle, now if you go to your home screen and if you open the keyboard, as you can see, we have successfully enabled predictive text on our Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.